I remember how you held me on a cold and quiet night. Said forever was a promise. Now it's fading out of sight. Empty streets and broken echoes. Empty streets and broken echoes. Every step feels just the same. All the love we left spoken now dissolves in pouring rain. I tried to hold on, but you slipped away like shadows at dawn. You couldn't stay, these tears in the rain. No one can see, they fall just like you. Fell away from me, fell away from me. Washing the pain, but it still remains. I'm calling your name through tears in the rain. Your reflection in the window haunts me like a ghost of time. Every word I never told you plays again inside my mind. Was it me or was it destiny that tore our world apart? Now I'm standing in the silence with the pieces of my heart. I tried to be strong, but I'm breaking inside. Where did we go wrong? Now there's nowhere to hide. These tears in the rain, no one can see, they fall just like you. Fell away from me, fell away from me. Washing the pain, but it still remains. I'm calling your name through tears in the rain. If I could turn back time, I'd hold you closer. Say all the words before it's over. But now you're gone, like a distant flame. And all that's left are tears in the rain. These tears in the rain are all I have. Moments of love from our shattered past. Drowning in memories I can't escape. Forever lost in tears in the rain. Raindrops fall and whisper your name. Love disappears in tears in the rain.